Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create dotted border in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, then show the Google Sheets file is created from the dotted border. Then we show the is the border. This plain border is from the dotted border. Now select from the border option. Now going to the border option. Now click for the border style option. Now click for the dotted option. Now click for the all border option. That's it. Then again select for the other space option. Now going to the borders option. Now click for the borders option. Now border style option. Now click. Then click for the its. Now click for the border option. That's it. Then show the caret dotted border in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.